everyone! So this is my CVS haul for this week, February 19 to February 25 of 2023. So I did 2 transactions in total and I only pick up those items that I have CRT. And some of the items that I pick up, I don't have CRT. I just use a manufactured coupon. So in the first transaction, I did a deal of L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care. So it's spend 8 and you will get a $4 extra box reward. I bought 4 L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner because I use the 4 of 20 L'Oreal CRT. So I picked the color protecting shampoo. So I picked 2 shampoo and then 2 conditioner. And this is my note for the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. So spend 8 and you will get a $4 extra box reward. It's a limit of 1. It's priced for $5.29 and the 4 L'Oreal are $21.16. I used the 4 of 20 L'Oreal Hair Care CRT. And then I used 2 for $1 of 2 L'Oreal manufacturing coupon from Save Inserts. A total are $8. If you still have the digital coupon for the L'Oreal Elvive, it will glitch with the paper coupon. So I paid $9.16. Then I got my $4 extra box reward, making it $5.16 for 4 or $1.29 each. And then the Any Spit Stick deodorant is buy 1 get 1 50% off. And when you buy 2, you will get a $2 extra box reward. So I picked the regular one. So I got 2 of the Spit Sticks and I printed out a coupon from spitstick.com. So it's buy 1 get 1 50% off. The regular price is $3.19. The 50% off is $1.59. The 2 are $4.78. I used 2 50-cent printable coupon from spitstick.com. So total is $1. I paid $3.78. Then I got my $2 extra box reward, making it $1.89 for 2 or 94 cents each. And then for my 8 of 40 purchase CRT, I combined the deal of the Any Eucerin or Aquaphor hand and body lotion, cream facial care or baby product. It's spend 20 and get $10 extra box reward. So I bought 4 Aquaphor healing ointment. So I got 1 for the baby and 3 for the adult. So this is priced for $6.29. I use 4 of the $3 manufacturing coupon from Smart Source. And then the Love Beauty and Planet is spend 15 and get $5 extra box reward. I pick 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. This is priced for $9.49. I don't have any percentage off. It will be a nice deal if you have percentage off. Then I use the buy 1 get 1 manufacturing coupon from Save for the Love Beauty and Planet. So I got 4 Aquaphor and then 2 Love Beauty and Planet product. So this is my note for my 8 of 40 purchase CRT. So the 4 Aquaphor is $25.16. Is priced for $6.29. And the 2 Love Beauty product are $18.98. My subtotal is $44.14. I used the 8 of 40 purchase CRT and then $43 Aquaphor manufacturing coupon from Smart Source. So total are $12. And then I used the Love Beauty buy 1 get 1 manufacturing coupon from Save. So it deduct $9.49. I paid $14.65. Then I got my $15 extra box reward, 10 for the Aquaphor and 5 for the Love Beauty, making it free plus 35 cents money maker. And then the Any Schick or Skintimate disposable razor is spend 15 and get $5 extra box reward. So I picked 2 Skintimate disposable razor. It is priced for $6.99. And then the Schick Extreme Duo Comfort is part also of the spend 15. So it's $6.99 also. So I got 3 disposable razor. There is printable coupon in coupon.com for Skintimate or Schick disposable razor. And then I used my digital coupon also for the Skintimate. So I got 3 disposable razor. It's priced for $6.99. So the 3 are $20.97. I used the $4 Schick or Skintimate printable coupon from Coupon.com. And then I have 2 digital coupon. $4 off Schick or Skintimate digital coupon. And then the other one also came off. $4 off Schick or Skintimate disposable digital coupon. So I paid $8.97. I got my $5 extra bucks reward, making it $3.97 for 3 or $1.32 each. So I don't have CRT for razor. And then the Any Axe shower gel is buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 2 you will get a $2 extra bucks reward. I bought 4 in total because there is rebate in IBOTTA. There is $1.50 rebate in IBOTTA. It's a limit of 5. So I got 4 Axe Black body wash, and then in Fetch there is an offer also that there is 1,000 points limit of 5 for Axe body wash. But when I scan my receipt, it only gave me around 3,000 points, but it's okay. So I got 4 Axe body wash, and this is my note for the Axe. So it's buy one get one 50% off. It's priced for $6.49, and then the 50% off is $3.24. So the 2 pair of Axe are $9.73. So times 2 because I bought 4 Axe. So the 4 are $19.46. Then I used 4 $2 Axe manufacturing coupon from Save. So total are $8. I paid $11.46. I got my $2 extra bucks reward. Then I submitted my receipt in IBOTTA. I got $6.10. The 10 cents is for the any receipt. So it's a limit of 5, $1.50 in each Axe. And then I got 3,376 points in Fetch. That is equivalent to $3.37 points. So total I got $11.47, making it free plus 1 cent money maker. Yay! So next is the deal in Dove body wash. So the Dove Women's Body Wash or Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash is buy 2 and you will get a $2 extra bucks reward. It's priced for $8.99. So this is a new bottle of Dove and it's 20 ounce. So I picked the peony and rose oil. So this is the coupon that I use, and it did not beep even I bought the same scent, and it's up to $6.99. So this is my note for the Dove. So it's priced for $8.99 and the 2 are $17.98. I use a Dove buy one get one manufacturing coupon. So I deduct $6.39. I paid $11.59. Then I got my $2 extra bucks reward, making it $9.59 for 2 or $4.79 each. And then the Crest Ready White Pro Health or Vivid 2 Count Brush or Scope 1 liter is $4.99. And when you buy 3, you will get a $5 extra bucks reward. I maximize the deal even I don't have coupon aside from the $5 off 3 oral care digital coupon and the $1 coupon for digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. So I don't have any coupon to use for the Oral-B toothbrush, but I use my 6 of 30 Crest or Oral-B CRT. So the Crest Pro Health 1 liter is part of the buy 3 and get $5 extra bucks reward. So it's a limit of 2. So I got 3 Crest mouthwash. They are all 1 liter. And then the Oral-B toothbrush is $4.99 also. So I got 2 soft, and then I got 1 Crest antibacterial toothpaste. So I got 6 items in total, and this is my note for the oral care. So the 3 Crest mouthwash are $14.97, and then the Crest toothpaste is $4.99. The 2 Oral-B toothbrush are $9.98. My soft total are $29.94. I use a 6 of 30 Crest CRT, $5 of 3 oral care digital coupon, and $1 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon. I paid $17.94. Then I got my $10 extra bucks reward, making it $7.94 for 6 items or $1.32 each. So this is my receipt in my first transaction. So everything went smoothly. There's no beeping in the coupons. So here are the coupons. So everything scanned. And then this is for the Love Beauty, and then this one is for the Dove. And then my digital coupon for the disposable razor, and then the digital coupon for the oral care, and then the 8 of 40 purchase CRT, and then my CRT for the L'Oreal, and then the 6 of 30. And then I use a lot of extra bucks reward. I used total of $74 extra bucks reward. So I paid $2.95. I used the gift card that I got from Active Rewards. So it helped a lot. So I saved $182.38. Total savings is 98%. So I got all my extra bucks reward. I got my $10 for the oral care. I got my $2 from the Dove. I got my $2 from the Axe. And I got also my rebate in IBOTTA and Fetch. I got my $5 in Love Beauty and Planet. I got my $10 in Aquaphor. I got my $4 in L'Oreal. I got my $2 in Speed Sticks. And then I got my $5 from the Skin Timid. So in the first transaction, my out of pocket is $2.95 plus $74 extra bucks reward that I used. So total are $76.95. I got $40 extra bucks in total plus $3.37 in Fetch, $6.10 in IBOTTA. So total I got $49.47, making it $27.48 for 27 items or $1.01 each, which is fine to me because I just used the extra bucks reward and the gift card from the Active Reward. And then in the second transaction, the Colgate total or toothbrush is spent 10 and get $5 extra bucks reward. There is $3 of 2 digital coupon, and the $2 Colgate digital coupon came off also. So there is 2 digital coupon that both came off. So this is priced for $5.49. So this is my note for the Colgate total Deep Clean. This is 5.1 ounce. So it's $5.49 and the two are $10.98. I used the $3 of 2 Colgate digital coupon and then the $2 off Colgate digital coupon glitch. I paid $5.98. Then I got my $5 extra bucks reward, making it 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents each. And then I combined the deal of Axe body wash and then the spend $30 and get $10 extra bucks reward because I used the 8 of 40 purchase CRT. So we got also a purchase CRT in the other card. So in this transaction, I used my husband's card. So in my spend $30 and get $10 extra bucks reward or spend $45 and get $15 extra bucks reward, I just did the spend $30. So the Downy Unstoppable, this is priced for $12.99. There is $2 digital coupon in CVS app. And then the Downy Light White Lavender, this is $12.99 also. So I use a printable coupon from pngoodeveryday.com. And then for the Downy Unstoppable, this is the 5.5 ounce. There is $1 digital coupon in CVS app. And there is printable coupon also in pngoodeveryday.com. And for the Axe, it's buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you will get a $2 extra bucks reward. I bought again 4. And I submitted my receipt in IBOTTA. So I used my husband's account in this transaction for in IBOTTA and in Fetch. So I got 2 Axe Finex and then 2 Axe Apollo. So this is my note in my 8 of 40 purchase CRT. So the 2 Downy Unstoppable are $25.98. Then the 5.5 Downy Unstoppable is $5.49. Then the 4 Axe Body Wash are $19.46. My subtotal are $50.93. I used the 8 of 40 purchase CRT. $2 off Downy digital coupon, $2 off Downy printable coupon, $1 Downy digital coupon, sorry for the typo, and then for $2 Axe manufacturing coupon from Save, insert. So I paid $29.93. I got $10 extra bucks reward from the Spend 30, and then $2 extra bucks reward from the Axe deal. I got $6 rebate in IBOTTA, and then I got 3,134 points in Fetch, that is equivalent to $3.13. So I got total of $21.13, making it $8.80 for 7 items, or $1.25 each. And then I bought again the Love Beauty and Planet. So it's spend $15 and get $5 extra bucks reward. So I picked the Butter and Rose. It is priced for $9.49. So I got 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. And this is my note for the Love Beauty. So the 2 items are $18.98. I used the Love Beauty buy 1 get 1 manufacturing coupon from Save. So I deduct $9.49. I paid $9.49. Then I got my $5 extra bucks reward, making it $4.49 for 2, or $2.24 each. And then the L'Oreal is spend 8 and get $4 extra bucks reward. So I got 2 L'Oreal Elvive repairing shampoo. And this is my note for the L'Oreal. So it's $5.29 and the 2 are $10.58. I used the $4 of 2 L'Oreal manufacturing coupon from Save. I paid $6.58. Then I got my $4 extra bucks reward, making it $2.58 for 2, or $1.29 each. And this is my receipt. Then you can submit your receipt in pngoodeveryday.com. There is a new gift card that popped up the other day. So there is Target, there is Amazon gift card if you have not redeemed before. So all the coupons applied, and then the Colgate $3 off 2, and then that other $2 came off. So there's a glitch on Colgate. And then my 840 came off also. So in this transaction, I used total of $49 extra bucks reward, and then the remaining I used my Active Rewards gift card. So it deduct $2.98. I saved 97%. Total savings is $102.29. So I got my $5 extra bucks reward for Colgate. I got my 4 from L'Oreal. I got my 5 from the Love Beauty. And then I got my $2 from the Axe. And then I got my $10 from the Spend 30. So I got $26 extra bucks reward in total. So my out of pocket is $2.98 plus $49 extra bucks reward that I use. So total are $51.98. I got $26 extra bucks reward plus $3.13 in Fetch and $6 in IBOTTA. So I got $35.15, making it $16.85 for 13 items, or $1.29 each. So total, I saved $284.67. My final costs are $44.33, in which I always count it even I use an extra bucks reward. So I did not really pay $44.33 in cash or my card. I used the extra bucks reward for that. So it's $44.33 for 40 items, or $1.10 each. So it's a small haul, but I love what I got. Especially I just used the extra bucks reward and the gift card from Active Rewards. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.